Hello, welcome to episode 438 in the command block tutorial series for 1.21. We're going to be doing a bit of using more items gives better buffs. This came out from a conversation I had with Matan on the Discord. We've done something similar. In episode 320, we did more items in your inventory equals better buffs. And in 418, we did a trinket box, which you can keep in your ender chest for buffs. But this one is going to be, each time I eat one, my buff gets better. It's pretty self-explanatory. Let's do a bit of setup because I need some scores. Scoreboard, objectives, add, used, you know what I'm going to be doing, a used coas, which is going to be of type used, caret, oh you have to do the minecraft, minecraft.used, Minecraft, I think this is slower than just me typing it, minecraft.caret on a stick. I should have just typed it myself. There we go. That's that one done. Chain, always active. Scoreboard, objectives, add, level, dummy. Done. Let's create them. Let's give ourselves an item we can eat or use. We're not going to really be eating it. Give at P, carrot on a stick. Item name, that says bees. Item name equals apostrophe, speech marks, level up. More importantly, custom data equals level up true. Done. Give myself one of them. Let's make some stairs. So I'm going to use jump strength. Okay. Right. Now I hope I haven't left, while testing, I haven't left myself with any attributes modified. So let's have a little look. Data get from an entity at P attributes. I do have a modifier on there already, so we better get rid of that. Do I have a command? What's its ID? ID is 1. Okay. Clear chat. Let's check our attributes. Right, our attributes are all normal. Cool. Okay. Let's make a controller. We're going to do two different controllers. We're going to have one, which is going to be controller, and if you die, you keep your attributes, and we'll have one, if you die, you lose them. So let's say you'll be repeating. We will execute as any player whose scores equals used to carrot on a stick equals 1 or higher. If items entity that player in their weapon main hand, they have to have it in their main hand, is a carrot. Stop it. Is a carrot on a stick, and that carrot on a stick has some custom data which contains level up true. Then we will run scoreboard players add to that player to their level 1. Done. Let's display level on the sidebar. So it's nothing at the moment. That makes sense. We'll have chain always active, and then we will execute as all players whose scores equals used carrot on a stick equals 1 or higher. We will run item replace entity at S weapon main hand with air. I'm going to make that conditional as well. So if it's in their main hand and it has the custom data, we'll add one to their level, and then we'll take it away from their main hand. Then we'll execute as any entity whose scores equals level equals 1. Run. Run attribute for that person. I'm going to use jump because it's easy to look at. And we'll do base set 0.6. Okay, the normal base is about 0.42, so we'll add 1.8 on. Done. I'm going to copy that one. Control middle mouse, put it down again, and I'll say 0.8. But this time, if their level equals 2. Done. And then we'll do scoreboard, players reset. For all players, scores equals used a carrot on a stick equals 1 or higher, and we will reset their used a carrot on a stick. Done. So, turn that on. Can I jump up 2 blocks? No, I can't. Give myself one of these. Eat it. Or use it. I can't use it. Can I use this one? No. Okay, so we've clearly made a mistake. Let's do a clear. Let's check. There we go. Level up. That should be an underline. We named it underline in the other one. We should always have the same name. Let's give ourselves one of them. Let's use it. It's gone. I've got level 1. Now I should be able to jump up 2 blocks. Yeah, but I can't jump up 3. No. Let's give myself another one. Yes, let's use that. Now I can jump up 3 blocks. But can I jump up 4? Not quite. Cool. Now if I die, kill myself, can I still jump up? Yes, we can. So we've kept it. We've kept our attribute modifiers, and that's because we're doing a base set. Let's make a reset. Let's do that actually. There we go. Dum dum dum. A reset. And first thing I'm going to reset is my level score. Players reset, not remove, reset for the nearest player level. And now we want to remove that, well, set it back. We're not going to remove it, we're going to overwrite it, I suppose, because we're going to use attribute, jump strength, and we're going to do base set 0.42, which is pretty close to the default, which is 0.4999999 or something crazy. Okay, so let's set that. Okay, we can't jump up anymore, so we can take it away. We can obviously get another one. If we turn that on, it'd be helpful. There we go, I've used one. There we are, and let's use the other one. Now I can jump up. Yeah, cool. Right, let's turn that off. Let's do a reset. Let's make one that resets when they die. So if they die, they lose their modifiers. And we're going to do that by just copying this one, actually. So most of it is the same. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Copying the whole lot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I will need a sign, because we'll say this is going to be controller with a reset. Get myself a lever, pop that on there. Okay, now command 1, well, we'll make this one conditional. You two are staying the same. The end one is staying the same. We're going to change how we add the modifier. At the moment we're doing base set. Now you want to change that. So boom, 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 back to here. We're going to do modifier instead. Modifier. And it will be add. We want an ID, a value, add value. Okay. ID, I'm going to say 1. And now we want the value to add. So I want to go from 0.42 to 6. So 0.18. And we're going to add that as a value. Done. And actually I'm going to copy that command. Home, copy. And I'm going to overwrite this next one. But we better change it so it's level equals 2. So we've already got level 1 attribute added. So we better change this ID, different ID, and we want to go from 0.6 to 0.8. So we'll add 0.2. Done. Let's have a look at our attributes. We had a look earlier. There we go. So jump strength is just a base of 0.42. Okay, let's turn that on. Let's completely miss it. Let's turn that on. Get ourselves a couple of these, and we'll eat one. Munch. Okay, now let's do a get attributes again. Now we can see jump strength has a modifier amount and that has an ID of Minecraft 1. Okay, so I should be able to jump up 1 block now. So we've got a base of 4.2, 1 modifier adding 1.8, so we can get up there. Yep. Nope. Let's eat another one. We now have a level of 2. Let's check our attributes again. We now have jump strength with a base of 0.42 plus 0.18 plus 0.2. So we should be able to get up 3 blocks now. Yes. Okay, now let's do the reset. We can still jump up 3 blocks. Okay, now I knew that was going to happen, but if I die, I have now lost it. Okay, why didn't our reset work? Let's fix our reset. So let's give ourselves 2 more. And we'll munch on them. There we go. And then we'll check our attributes again. So we can see the jump strength. We've got the modifiers back. Well, to get rid of these is a little bit different. What we have to do is we have to say remove one of the modifiers. And we can remove them by their ID. And we gave the ID of 1 and an ID of 2. So that's what I'm going to do. We are going to do attribute, nearest player. It is the jump strength. And then we're going to do modifier, remove. Which one do we want to remove? Yeah, well, we'll remove 1. Let's run that one. Boink. Let's check our attributes. Now you can see we've only got ID number 2 left, so that's cool. Let's just control middle mouse that block, put it down again, and we'll remove ID number 2 as well. And we'll check our attributes, and we haven't got any. Cool, we are done. Let's clear that. Okay, so we have 2 versions. One, when they munch something, that's it. Unless you take it away with commands, they're going to keep the buffs they've got. And then we've got a version which you can take away with commands, or if they die, they lose their buffs. Okay, nice quick one. Well, it probably wasn't that quick, really. Probably about 15 minutes long. I will see you next time. Have a nice day. Take care of yourself. Bye-bye.